You guys were like, when are you gonna get here? I really want to unbox this. You guys were like, when are you gonna get here? I really want to unbox this. I want to take it all out of the box. I want to take it all. I want to take it all out of the box. I want to take it all out of the box.
I didn't know we were taking it out of the box.
And I was like, no. What did I say? There's a lot of pieces to this kit.
He did say that.
He did say that.
He did say that.
How many times did I say this?
I don't like it. I want it in carbon fiber.
Quarter panel for the. There you go, driver's side.
Oh.
So
we should have waited until like 3 o'clock in the morning before we started this.
Bro, I can't believe it's like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Humble David would like to mention. So make sure you don't lose any of this.
Oh, we're putting it right back in the box.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Functional roof scoop.
So this is actually what you can use so it'll be functional. So this will take the air and this can mount right to the intake.
OEM.
OEM Lamborghini wing uprights. Am I a man of my word? Those expensive.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
Hey, you told me it was carbon fiber.
Looks like a boomerang.
Like boomerang, right?
I dare you to make one of those.
Dare us?
Hold on, show them. Let me give you a look on the bottom, right there. Yeah. Bam.
These are
Man.
factory parts.
Now they're fake roll.
So
China did a good job, huh? They make some good shit sometimes.
you guys wanted to get into this.
Why did I come?
Wow, so those are all the fins for the
Next
diffusers
time,
and
Sky,
Everything, dude.
make a phone call.
Holy
You know what I'm saying?
the fins with that
I'll Venmo you. I'll be like, hey, thank you for saving me.
You're
I
gonna
love how you exaggerate. Nothing on a BMW for 30,000.
No. That equipment is definitely 30,000.
Okay. Give me your hand.
Give it here.
No, this is a good
You
idea.
have to go
Here,
with this
it's up. We're gonna hold you up so you're not putting all your weight up. No.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, that corner.
That corner.
You have to go in this corner.
Give us the stuff by your feet.
Hold on, let me grab the most important thing right now.
That's not your phone.
My phone.
Can you do this with your phone?
I just up the phone.
Wait, is there anything cool in here?
I don't know, man. I don't know what's packaging and what's cool, so don't throw anything out.
But literally,
This is a part. That's a part. Throw me the little ones.
Wow.
Like home in the back.
How much do we pay for that?
You didn't pay anything yet.
What, is that free?
Yeah, it's all free, bro.
Is that free 99?
It's all free. Wow, we're building a car. You almost hit
Oh, this is a big piece. Oh, I don't know if this should come out. It should definitely come out.
Don't stand on it. No, don't stand on it!
Relax.
Oh, I heard it.
I'm a professional.
What?
Professional what?
You come to work at 11 o'clock every day and nobody knows what you actually do here.
10:30, bro. Get it right.
11 o'clock.
I'm betting that you crashed 15 out of the 16 times.
Hey,
That's a whole other
15
story.
out of 16. That wasn't my fault, bro.
Yeah, all right. This guy's crashed a car 16 times. But apparently 15 of the times it's not his fault.
Good luck putting the back in, you know?
They never getting you dirty.
Okay, grab this side.
All right, what am I grabbing? All right, I
Just
got
hold that
this
side. I'm gonna hold the front. You hold the back. You have the rear bumper, the diffuser, the wing, the engine cover, the roof scoop, all the functional pieces to the roof scoop.